Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install IPA files on your iPhone step by step. This method allows you to install apps that are not available on the App Store. So let's dive right in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time menu, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Find the option Installing Apps and tap on it. Select Allow to enable the installation of third-party apps. Go back to the Content and Privacy Restrictions menu. Tap on Allowed Apps. Make sure Safari is enabled. Exit Settings and close the app. Open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Free IPA Download and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears or select iOS Ninja as an option. Once on the website, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Tap on the search bar and type the name of the app you want to download, e.g. Instagram. Tap Search and wait for the results to load. Scroll through the results and find your desired app. Tap on the app to open its download page. Tap on the Details button to see more information about the app. Close any ads that appear by tapping on the X icon. Scroll down and tap Download Now. Tap Download Now again when prompted. The App Store may open, allowing you to install or update the app directly. And that's it. You've successfully installed an IPA file on your iPhone using this simple method. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.